Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey Hennessy, and in this video it's going to be a follow-up to my last video on building a vibe coded website in HighLevel. So if you've seen that video, you will know that I've been using the vibe coding aspect inside of HighLevel a lot. If you haven't checked it out, you can click the little button in the top and you'll be able to watch that video before you watch this one. But a question I got is, how do you actually link the forms that are on your landing pages? So I built out this page. It's for my real estate marketing agency, which helps realtors, brokerages generate leads on a commission basis. So our goal is to get people to book in for a consultation call. We used to have forms on this and a lot of different features that would connect people to us. So when people filled in a form, it would then bring them to the thank you page. Instead, I'm optimizing for bookings, so direct bookings through the calendar. But if we take a look at the onboarding tab, you'll see we have a form here. Now, when you first create the landing page or whatever you're making and it includes forms, they won't automatically link to HighLevel. And that's a question I got a lot on the last video. So something was, how do you actually connect them to the HighLevel? And I'm going to show you how you can do that really easily inside HighLevel itself. Now, make sure on the project that you say that it's linking the form correctly. You'll see I was asking that as a question. Make sure you say, please link all of the forms, all of the questionnaires, boxes, all of the stuff that needs to be linked to the CRM. Just make sure that the project does that by just asking a simple question. And once it confirms that everything is connected, what you're going to do is go back to your dashboard itself. So we'll come back out of the AI. We'll go down to, that's going to open up the same thing. We're going to go down to automation. Now in the automation tab, all we have to do is create a new automation. Unless you want to put it in your inbound lead flow, you can do that. If I go into our inbound lead flow, we can test it out there. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add a new trigger and you're going to do external tracking event. So when the forms are linked through the vibe coding, the difference between a normal form that was confusing a lot of people is instead it's tracked as an external tracking event. So if we go to external, we're going to hit select, we're going to hit event, is any of, form submitted, add filter. We can go to hit save. Oh wait, let's see. We should be able to do external form is, and now you'll see we have the forms that we've been looking for. So the event is any of, form submitted, and these are external tracking events, meaning they're taking place outside of the direct CRM. And that's the way the vibe coded websites work. They're actually an external thing to the CRM itself. And I think that's what was confusing for people before. So now with this, we can actually find the two leads we have. This is from our VSL page. The names are a bit strange. You can rename them in the vibe coder, but these are the names that they were given. Lead capture video gate, that's from our VSL page, and client onboarding form is the page that we just looked at, where we send that link to people when they want to onboard with us. They give us all their details and we can create their GoHighLevel sub account. So let's hit save. Now that is connected, it's going to create an opportunity like usual, which is what you should use it for. So if you have the form connected here, it will create the contact. Once the contact is created, you can create an opportunity or update the opportunity, and then whatever else you want to happen at that stage. What we do with our inbound funnel is a voice AI call, which sets an appointment. So that's calling the lead directly, setting an appointment. We send an SMS and an email and a WhatsApp, and then based on if it was delivered or if it was not delivered, we then get notifications in our own Slack. If it wasn't delivered, we just set it to end, and in future we'll probably follow up with that with something else. But really simple. Hopefully that helped. I know a lot of people had questions that they were building out these brilliant vibe coded landing pages. They were vibe coding for 3 days straight, drinking Monster, setting up these pages, drinking coffee, and then when they got to the final tab and they start to push it live, they noticed, hey, none of these leads are coming in, or nothing's coming in on the back end. So hopefully that fixed it. It's kind of tricky to find external tracking events. Go through all the settings. If I actually move my camera across, you'll see external tracking event is any of, form submitted, external form is, and then you choose the form itself. So you have these two forms that I would have been showing earlier, but my camera was in the way. So you can see them now. We're going to choose the onboarding form, hit save. And then like that, you can build out any automation, any way that you want to take in those forms. So hopefully that helped you out. If it did, don't forget to subscribe. You can check out any of my other videos at the end, and I'll see you in the next video.